baby to be at a water park. Woo! You guys ready to go underwater?
Yeah.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, Luchi Luchi, what did we learn at the pool these 3 days of fun? What did we learn? We learned to kick. Do you know how to kick? Oh, he's still waking up, guys. It's 11 in the morning.
Yeah. I never woke up this early. Never.
I used to wake up.
What time do you usually wake up? 12? 12.
When do you wake up? When do you wake up, Ma? When do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
And when does Luchi Luchi wake up?
He wakes up all night long. He doesn't sleep. He's like an owl.
And I personally wake up at like 9 or 8.
You wake up early.
Or 7, maybe. Sometimes, not most of the time.
All right, guys. I'm gonna do the remolino. Do you guys know what the remolino is?
What is the remolino?
It's this one. Woo!
You guys ready to do that with me? Hey, the remolino! Ready? Let's jump in and out of the water. I need to make goggles on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, you guys want to do my handstand? Okay, ready? Let's go over here now.
Hi, this is Isabella recording.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Wow. Oh, careful. Careful. Wow, that was so cool.
All right, you guys ready to do the kangaroo?
Yeah.
The kangaroo. This is the kangaroo. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys ready to do the kangaroo with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. So much fun! Yay! Let me show you guys my flip. Ready? Underwater. 1, 2, 3. Let me show them the back flip. You want to teach us how you actually do those flips? Sure. So how do you start it? So first, let's do a front flip. So I usually start like this, with my hands in front, and then you just flip like this.
Oh, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So do you have to kind of get some momentum going?
Yeah.
Okay, so you put your head into the water first.
Yeah, like this. Ready?
Lazy river. Yay!
Let's swim!
Luchi Luchi is going to swim like a little fish. Kick, kick, kick.
Let's go to Lazy River. We have to get some food. Yeah. Oh, I found some tubes. I found one tube. Look at the tube. Isabel, this can be yours. I need a tube. Where is my tube? Oh, I found a tube. It's so hard. The water is literally pushing me. I can barely go. I found tubes. I got one. Oh my God, there's 2 tubes. Okay, we're ready. Let's start going. Are you guys having fun?
Sure. I am. I'm tired.
You're tired?
It's too much fun for Isabel. It's too much fun.
Yeah. Hurry up, you're too slow.
As fast as I can.
Ready? We're gonna go inside the tube. 1, 2, 3. We're inside the tube. Gotta get your water out. Oh, this tube is so cool. I can see through. I can see in the water. Look. It's so cool. Oh my god. Hi. Okay, let's go underwater. That's crazy.
Why are you hiding my friends for?
I don't know. We were going
Underwater.
Is Luchi Luchi gonna have fun? Is Luchi Luchi having fun? I think so.
But I think so.
In the lazy river. Oh my god, look at that big bucket up there. That's gonna fill a lot of water and it's gonna come down. It's gonna be insane. Oh, there's like a little whirlpool there. Let's go there. I think. Oh yeah, we should go in here. Hello. Let's go in here, guys. Oh my god, guys, there's a fan up there. A big fan. Can you guys say big? Big fan.
Big fan. I think baby's cold.
Oh no.
Baby's cold.
Luchi Luchi's cold.
It's because of that big fan right there.
Yeah. Go away, fan.
Did you guys go into that yesterday?
This girl did. Not me, I'm too scared.
The slide was very rough.
The slide is really nice. Well, the big slide.
Oh, the big one?
Yeah.
I'm talking about the play one.
Oh yeah, that one.
It's rough?
It was rough. I went down. I hurt my butt.
You hurt your bottom. Oh no. Okay guys, so we are actually gonna get out of there and we're gonna go to that little thing right there to have some fun. Let's go out of our tube. Ready? Oh my gosh. Let's get out. Oh my god. Okay guys. Look at that.
Ready?
Woo!
Oh, this one is really, really fun.
You guys ready?
You like it?
You ready, Isabel? Let's get wet. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm getting soaked.
Let me see, I'll film you back from outside. Ready? See how strong can you do it? Woo!
Oh man.
I like this one. This one is cool.
Oh.
Look, you can press that button. Press this. Oh no. What do? You don't press anything?
Oh.